Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to uninstall Telegram Desktop from your Windows PC. If you no longer need Telegram Desktop or want to remove it before reinstalling it, the process is very simple. First, open the Start menu and click Settings. Inside Settings, open the Apps section, then click Installed Apps. Now use the search box to search for Telegram. When Telegram Desktop appears in the list, click the three dots next to it. You'll see the Uninstall option. Click Uninstall, and Windows will ask you to confirm the removal. Click Uninstall again if you want to remove Telegram Desktop from your computer. Windows will automatically uninstall the application. This process usually takes only a few moments. If you plan to reinstall Telegram later, you can download the latest version from the official Telegram website and install it again. Your Telegram account, chats, and cloud messages will remain available when you sign back in. That's how you can uninstall Telegram Desktop from your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram Desktop tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.